When you meet someone, say hello. Wave your hand, nice and slow. Big smile, happy face. Hello makes the world a happy place. Hello, hello, when we meet, wave your hand from head to feet. Hello, hello, say it loud. Hello, hello, feel so proud.
See you all next time.
When you leave someone, say goodbye. Wave your hand,
Goodbye.
reach up high. Little wave or big wave too. Goodbye means I'll see you soon. Bye, 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 bye. When we go, wave your hand nice and slow. Bye, 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 bye. Don't you cry. Bye, 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 bye. Smile wide. Hello to friends. Hello to you. Hello to mommy, daddy too. Goodbye now. Clap, clap, clap. Say it once, then say it back. Hello, hello. When we meet, bye, 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 bye. When we leave, hello and bye. Fun and sweet. Waving hands is super neat. Meet someone, say hello. Leave someone, say goodbye. Wave your hand and smile bright. Hello and bye. Done just right. 1, 2, 3, look around. What do I see? Toys on the floor, waiting for me. Time to